This is the well-preserved Stampin' Cut set from Hero Arts. There are 21 clear stamps and 17 cutting dies in this set to create a variety of different looks. The sentiments are all fish themed. We've got Carpe Pisci, we've got officially old, birthday fishes, party tin night, you're so well preserved, and to my nearest and dearest. And I love that little mermaid stamp. So I'm using mostly the sentiments for 2 cards that I used to create cards with a different die set. They work perfectly with the fish theme from that other die set as well. And then I created a card focusing on that mermaid. There is the coordinating die to cut out that mermaid, and I thought the easiest way to do it would be to cut it out first and then position the stamps. That way I know I have them positioned fairly well. So I did that using my Misty stamping tool in order to stamp those images in the areas that I thought they should go. Now I ended up stamping them a little bit too much to the left. So what I do once I'm done is I just use my detail cutting scissors and I fussy cut a little bit. If you're a lot better at positioning stamps than me, it is not too hard to do. This is the very first time that I had used that set, and I had focused on the fish's tail first. Maybe doing the body would have been a better way to start. Then I used the card to create, or the mermaid to create a pendulum card so she rocks in the water. I forgot to add a stamp before assembling that card, so I added it afterwards. Thank heavens for the Misty tool for using or to do that. Then we have our finished card in here, and I love how that mermaid rocks back and forth. Perfect with those stamp sentiments.